Okay, today let us learn or today let us look at how to insert pivot tables, especially when you're analyzing data. So suppose you are given data, for example, we are given names, date, sales made by these individuals per region, product, or you are told to represent this data using or analyze it using pivot tables. How can you do that? First, if you look at this data, we have columns and rows. The first step is to insert a table. Now you will come up here where it is written insert, click that insert. Then bring your cursor to where there is this table up here. Click that table. Then it will give you after pressing that, a box of this kind will appear. For example, you can see create table, where is the data for your table, blah blah, and all that. Then click OK. It means the Excel has detected that and has represented it in form of a table. Now we want to represent this data using pivot tables. Very simple. After the data has appeared in terms of tables like this, come back to insert, click insert, then it will give you pivot table, pivot chart. Click that pivot table. Then after clicking pivot table, it will direct you to this point here. So you can see here, select range, we have table 1. So the whole of this data of ours is in table 1. It is okay. You come, choose where you want the pivot table to report. Of course, choose new worksheet, then click OK. After clicking OK, we'll be having two sides. We have this side here, the side so written pivot table 1 to build a report, choose field, blah blah. Then we have also on the right side, we have pivot table, fields, and all that. But one thing is here, we have pivot table areas. For example, you can see we have drag fields between areas below. We have filter, column, rows, and values. So the only thing you are required to do is to just drag. For example, I want to start with the name. So I will click name, then drag it to this row. So let us do that. So we'll click name, long press, drag it to rows. After dragging it to rows, you can see in our pivot table, it has generated the names in terms of rows. So we have name, Abdi, Alice, Mwangi, Njuguna, Otieno, and a grand total. Now, perhaps maybe I want to look at the sales made by these people. Remember, I'm representing the data that I filled in that Excel table. So we want to see the sales made by these individuals. You come back here where it is denoted sales, you click sales, but anything that is dealing with summation or dealing with numbers, you drag it to values here. So let me drag and see what happens. So let us do that. We long press, drag to values there, then you leave it there. You can see that the total sales made by each and every individual is indicated in our pivot table here. What happens in a scenario whereby you want to represent this data in form of a graph and all that? You will come back to insert. You click insert, then come to the option of charts. Of course, you can see it here, or bars. Click that one. Then it will give you the information that is here in the is represented in terms of a chart. Click that chart. It will generate that. Then you can choose up here the kind of chart, the style that you want to use. For example, I want to use, let me use this. No, that is not clear. Let me go with the first one. Then I click that. Then here is my chart. So I can realign this chart near the table here. So I can just drag it. Can just drag it up there. So you can see I have made the information that is here. I've represented it in terms of charts and all that. Let us see. What of maybe I want to see by region. I will click region. This region, I want to drag it to, let me drag it to the column of names. So I will just region, click region, drag it to under names and leave it there. So you can see Abdi Kuno in our chart, it has included that. It has included that. So in terms of chart, we have this. In terms of table, we have this. So you can see the production or the representation. So this is how analysis is done using pivot tables. Thank you. But as well, you can represent as many information as possible depending on the requirement by the client.